In this video, I will show you how to delete pages in Control Center on iPhone. If you're using iPhone iOS 18, then you will be able to customize your Control Center. And here's how to do it. First of all, open your Control Center and scroll down, and here you will find all of your Control Center pages. And now to delete any page, first of all open this specific Control Center page. Once you are in this specific page, hard press the page to edit the page. Now all you have to delete or remove all controls from the page. So just tap on this minus icon to remove all controls. Once you successfully deleted everything from the page, now as you can see, I've successfully deleted the page. So all you have to delete any page, just go to the page, edit the page and remove all controls from the page, and then the page will be automatically removed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.